If you're struggling to track billable and non-billable hours separately, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you how to do this easily and efficiently so you can keep your time tracking organized and ensure you're billing accurately. Stick around to the end because I'll share a tool that can help you streamline this process, and you can try it out for free exclusively through my channel. The first thing to understand is that separating billable and non-billable hours is crucial for accurate client invoicing and tracking productivity. If you don't keep these two types of hours separate, it can quickly lead to billing mistakes, or worse, undercharging. Now, let's talk about the easiest way to track your hours. Start by choosing a time tracking tool that allows you to tag or categorize hours. You'll want something that can easily differentiate between the two, so you're not wasting time manually sorting them at the end of the week. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using software that makes this process super simple. Don't worry if you're unsure about the best tool. I've tried out several popular options, and I'll provide you with an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using in the description below. Once you have your software set up, the next step is to create two categories for your time entries, billable and non-billable. In most software, you can add custom tags to your time entries, or they come with built-in labels for these categories. For billable hours, this will track any time that directly contributes to a client's project. For non-billable hours, track time that doesn't directly generate revenue, like internal meetings, administrative tasks, or training sessions. A critical step here is making sure to input each entry in real time as you work. This helps avoid missing hours or misclassifying time at the end of the week when you're trying to recall your tasks. Most software even lets you set up reminders or timers to ensure you're logging your time accurately and on the go. Another feature you'll want to take advantage of is reporting. Once you've tagged your billable and non-billable hours, you can generate reports that separate the two types of time. This is especially helpful for invoicing, as it gives you a clear breakdown of how much time you spent on tasks that you can bill for versus tasks you can't. You can send these reports directly to your clients for transparency or keep them for your records to track how you're spending your time. Now, one key point to remember here is that you want to be consistent with your categorization. If you start misclassifying hours, you'll run into issues when it comes time to invoice or assess your productivity. Consistency is the key to making sure your time tracking system works. Finally, a quick tip for staying on top of your billable and non-billable hours. Set a reminder to review your hours weekly. This gives you a chance to correct any misentries before it's too late and ensures your timesheets are up to date. Before I wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great opportunity to try out the software I've mentioned and follow along with this guide. You can get started with better tracking today. Key takeaway: to successfully track billable and non-billable hours separately, use software that allows you to tag and categorize your time entries accurately. Be consistent, review your time weekly, and leverage reporting features to keep things organized. To recap: 1. Set up categories for billable and non-billable hours. 2. Log your time in real time using time tracking software. 3. Use reports to track your billable hours and separate them from non-billable ones. 4. Stay consistent and review your time weekly. And remember, get your exclusive free trial for the software in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.